Hello guys, you are watching Guide to English. Today we have a new session, reading session related to English language. So we have this new article related to penguins. Penguins are the animal that usually found in Antarctica or New Zealand. So let's just start reading this article. Okay. So scientists find new penguins colonies in Antarctica. Scientists have found four groups of emperor penguins in Antarctica that they did not know but before that they did not know about before. These groups called colonies were found with new satellite images. Emperor penguins are the world largest penguin seabirds that cannot fly but they swim. They are considered near threatened. This means the animal might have reduced numbers or live in fewer areas than before. The penguins raise their babies called chicks around the Antarctica winter on areas of frozen sea ice. If the ice breaks up before the chicks grow up, many of the chicks might die. So they are saying if their chicks grow up, if the ice break before the chicks grow up, it means like the ice will go into the ocean and many chicks might die. This is the photo provided by a British Antarctic survey in January 2024 show ants, adult emperor penguins and chick on the sea ice at Hale Bay. So they are the penguin with their chicks. Recently released research says that some of the penguins are moving away from their old colonies. Peter Fretwell is a researcher at the British Antarctic Survey, a government organization. He said that conditions at one colony had become more dangerous since 2016. As a result, the colony near Hale Bay seems to have moved about 30 kilometers east. He said emperor penguins have taken it upon themselves to try to find more stable sea ice. Fretwell said that the four new colonies have likely existed for years, but scientists have just recently seen them. They are small colonies with less than 100 pairs of penguins. Fretwell said scientists have identified 66 emperor penguins colonies and fewer than 3 lakh breeding pairs. The four newly found colonies do not change population estimate for the birds very much. However, Fretwell said that the fact that one of the colonies moved helps scientists to understand where the birds are going. Daniel Zirbert is a penguin researcher at the Woods Hole Oceanographic Institution in the U.S. eastern state of Massachusetts. He was involved in the study of the newly found penguins, but he said that it is unclear if the new groups broke away from the larger colonies. Zitterbird said that the places where the penguins reproduce are changing and that as the world warms more, penguins will be on the move. So we have the words, new words at the down of this article. Colonies. Colonies, groups of plants or animal living or growing in one place. Stable mean the things that remain same. Pairs are like two things that have pair. Breed to produce and raise young, reproduce to produce offsprings by sexual reproduction. So this article was all about the penguins. They had the researcher, they found that the new colonies in Antarctica of the penguins. So they are saying because the world is getting warmer, so the penguins they are moving from one place to another just for their survival. So this is this news article about science and technology, you can say. So I guess that's all for today's video. We don't have any other things related to this. But if you guys wanted to know more about these penguins, you can even search on the Google to get more and more knowledge about them. This is a brief article that just tell how the penguins are moving and how they found the new colonies of the penguins. That's all for today. I guess we can have another reading session later on. If you guys like the video, please subscribe and share my channel and guide to English. If you have any question or if you need a link of this article, you can just comment down below in the video. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.